Hello everyone, welcome back to Flashy Ubuntu Online. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an image inside of a paragraph of your first HTML page. That was the boilerplate page that we created just a little bit ago, a couple of videos back. So then we're going to preview the changes in our website and let's get started. So here is our HTML boilerplate page that we already have uploaded, and if you remember, or if you have not seen it yet, this is our current website. If we view the page source, you can see we have just our basic boilerplate. So let's get started today. We're going to go into Sublime Text, and below our H1 title tag, we're going to add a new paragraph. And in this paragraph, oops, we don't need that. Sorry about that. In this paragraph, we're going to write check out this image. And then we're going to do a new line, and we're going to add the image tag. And for an image tag, we need to tell it where to find the image file. So we're going to use src, which is basically a link to the resource, equals. And we're going to store our image in an images folder, so we'll start there, / flashy ubuntu.png. Now where did I come up with that? I've already saved or created a new images folder, and I've saved flashyubuntu.php or .png into that folder. So you can see here, if we open it up, this is the image that we're going to be loading into our web page. Alright, so we'll close that out, go back to our index. So now back to this image tag, we've got img, src tells us where to find the image, and then I'm going to show you one more thing. An alt tag allows you to define what the image is. We'll put flashy ubuntu logo. This is useful for screen readers and things like that, and is often required for search engine optimization, but we'll cover that in a much later tutorial. So right now we've got our basic image tag. The src tells us where the source is. Alt is the description of the image. We'll do a new line and close out this paragraph. So this is one paragraph in itself. Now we still have this paragraph down here that has a URL address. We want to do a link to the website, and I'll show you how to do that next. So we're going to do a new line. We'll indent in. To create a link, we're going to use the a tag. So open angle bracket a, and then we want to create an h reference equals, and that's going to be what we already have, the URL address. We can give this a title if we like. It's not necessary. And then our link text is going to be whatever you'd like, but I'm going to make it flashyubuntu.online, the actual web address itself, and then we close out that a tag with another a tag, do a new line. Okay, so let's sum up here again. We've got our title, we've got our first paragraph and the closing of that paragraph, check out this image, and then we're going to display the image with the image tag and the source. This is an alternate to describe the image. Then we got a new paragraph, and then we got an a tag. Href tells us where that link is going to go. You can define a title if you like. This is the actual text that's going to be shown in the link, and then the closing a tag. Alright, we're going to hit save. So now that is updated here. Remember, we're pulling the image Flashy Ubuntu from here. So let's pull up FileZilla, upload, and we'll check our web page. So I'm going to refresh because it shows that I've already created this images, and on this side it is not here. So we can do one of two things. We can drag everything individually, or we can hit one, control, and select the other, or another shortcut is just control A to highlight both, and then we can drag and drop, or we can right click and hit upload. So now we're uploading index.html. We want to tell it to overwrite if it's a different size or source or newer, and always use the section apply only to uploads. What this does basically is tells it that if it's different size or the source is newer, to go ahead and overwrite it. We don't have to verify every time when we do this. So Now that both sides, our remote server over here and our local machine have the same file, if we try to upload again, it's just going to skip through those because it's already there. It's not new. And that was those settings that we just created. Alright, now let's check our website. We'll hit refresh or enter, and look at that. Now we have our logo displayed, and I apologize, I did not make the screen big enough so that you can see that down below we definitely do have now I've really messed it up. We do indeed have we'll look at the source code here. Below you can see our paragraph with our link. And just to make sure, one option we have here is we can zoom out. You can see the image. Check out this image, the image, and then our link to this same page. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks again, and the next tutorial will show you a bit more how to do a little bit of styling, make things look a little nicer, maybe add a background or something like that. If you find value in this, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Flashy Ubuntu out.